Welcome children. Let's learn maths with fun. So are you ready to learn the numbers before and after? बच्चों, आज हम बिफोर एंड आफ्टर नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे. तो आप रेडी हो? तो चले. The before and after numbers. Now what are before and after numbers? बच्चों, before and after numbers क्या है? Then in between numbers. ओके बच्चों, आज हम इन बिटवीन नंबर्स भी पढ़ेंगे. नाउ आफ्टर नंबर्स. You remember in the last video we have learned numbers from 1 to 20, right? We have studied the numbers and their number names, and I told you how to count the numbers. You have to say the numbers in a line, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is known as counting. So this video we are going to learn after numbers, before numbers and in between numbers. So now let's study after numbers. बच्चों, after numbers क्या है अभी हम पढ़ेंगे. अभी 11 के बाद क्या आता है आपको पता है? मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था कैसे काउंट करना है नंबर्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. सो 11 के बाद क्या आता है? 12. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज आफ्टर नंबर. जो नंबर 11 के बाद आता है वो ये बॉक्स में लिखना है. तो 12 is after 11. So 12 is a after number. Now 3 के बाद क्या आता है? 4. So which number comes after 3? 4. So 4 comes after 3. 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. 14 के बाद 15. 9 के बाद, correct children, 10. What are this? After numbers. तो आप एक बार रिवाइज कीजिए. 11 के बाद 12 आता है, 3 के बाद 4 आता है, 6 के बाद 7 आता है, 14 के बाद 15 आता है और 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10. ओके, अब हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे बिफोर नंबर्स देखेंगे. These are before numbers. Now what are before numbers? The numbers which come before a given number. बच्चों, before number क्या है? एक नंबर दिया जाएगा, उसके पहले का नंबर आपको लिखना है. अभी 5 के पहले का नंबर कौन सा आता है? 4. 18 के पहले क्या आता है? 17. 8 के पहले क्या आता है? 7. क्या आप ये ट्राई करेंगे 16 के पहले? Children, will you tell me which number comes before 16? Yes, 15. Which number comes before 20? 19. Okay, so if you don't know which number comes before a given number, start saying the numbers in a line like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before 5, which number comes? 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 17 comes before 18, right? So this is what? Before number. 17 is a before number. Before what? 18. Now 7 comes before 8. So it is a before number. Then 15 comes before 16. 19 comes before 20. I hope you understood before and after numbers. Children, आपको समझ में आया बिफोर एंड आफ्टर नंबर्स? तो अभी हम इन बिटवीन नंबर्स देखेंगे. इन बिटवीन नंबर्स यानी आपको दो नंबर्स दिए जाएंगे, उसके बीच का मिसिंग नंबर आपको लिखना है. children, you will be given two numbers and you have to write the in between number, that is the missing number between the two numbers. Like here I have given you 2 and directly 4. In between number is missing. So can you tell me which is the in between number? 2. Yeah, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number comes? 3. After 6 what comes? 7. 7 comes after 6 and before 8. So 6, 7, 8. You have to write the numbers in a line. Now 11. Okay. See, this is actually 13. So after 11 what comes? And before 13 what comes? 12. So 11, 12, 13. So 12 comes in between 11 and 13. Now 16, box 18. So that box is for missing numbers. So what will come after 16? 17. 17 comes after 16 and before 18. Very good. Now after 9, which number comes? 10. 10 comes after 9 and before 11. So did you understand in between numbers? So today we have studied after numbers, before numbers, in between numbers. So these numbers are called as missing numbers. So can we solve a quiz which was given in the first page? Come on, let's see. See, I gave you the quiz on the first page. Here the apples are given and some of the apples are with missing numbers. Okay, there are some numbers on some apples and some apples are without numbers. So you have to write the numbers, missing numbers in this apples. So I have already solved the quiz for you. We can have a look. See, 1 was given. So after 1, which number comes? 2. After 2, which number comes? 3. So the answer is 2 and 3. So after 3, 4 was already given to us. 4, 5, 6 was given. Then here this apple did not have any number. So after 6, which number comes? 7. So 7 comes after 6 and before 8. So I got this missing number also. Then 8 was given. Again this apple was empty. So after 8, 9 comes. So I have written 9 in this apple. And 9 comes before 10. So this way you will get the questions in the exam. I hope you understood this video. So we will meet next time with some other topics. Till then, bye bye.